back to our channel. So today in this video, we are going to discuss about how to use HelloTalk for language exchange. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So if you want to use HelloTalk for language exchange, all you can do is simply go to HelloTalk. Once you simply tap on HelloTalk, to use your HelloTalk for language exchange, find a native speaker using the search feature. You can simply go to the search bar and simply search the native speaker. Then you need to start a chat, and then you can use the built-in tools like translations, corrections, and pronunciation for text, voice, and video calls, focusing on mutual practice where you teach your language and learn theirs, often through structured time calls or casual chats. You can start with text, offer corrections, and schedule formal voice exchanges for focused learning, utilizing features like moments to share cultural content. So this way you can use HelloTalk for language exchange. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and to give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching and stay tuned for our next video.